Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's Phone Collection. Today we're going to unbox the second LG Glimmer I have. Here's the first one, but I have two of them. This one has everything besides the owner's manual. $448 it came from Walmart back in the day. Before I do this, I actually have a couple more unboxing. I'm going to be doing the LG AX8600, a AX275, and I'll also have a, I can grab it real quick, Kyocera blade for Alltel that I'll be doing as well. There it is. Inside the box, you're going to get your phone. You got a screen protector still there. A little brochure, I guess. Micro SD card. You got a earbuds, 2.5mm. You also got your 2.5mm to 3.5 adapter. Got your proprietary LG, or no, your micro USB charging cable, LG branded. And you also get the back and the battery. Let's start the phone. Nice. So this one's a lot better shape than my second one, as you can tell. On the left side, you have your hold key. On the right side, you have your 2.5mm headphone jack, your micro USB charging port, volume keys, camera key. On the rear, you have your 2-megapixel camera, I think it is. 2-megapixel camera with a flash and a little chrome mirror. On the front, you have your resistive touchscreen. As well as your normal slider keypad. It's backlit in white. It's got a really nice finish to it. It's kind of like a brushed aluminum. This is one of my favorite phones when it came out. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the unboxing of the LG Glimmer. And stay tuned for more videos.